Hello everybody, my name is Nitty and today we're going to be making French toast. Here are the ingredients you'll need. Eggs, bread, ground cinnamon, and a mixing bowl. First, you crack an egg into the bowl and then you mix it up. Next, you take a slice of bread and dip it in the egg coating. Don't forget the other side. Finally, you will sprinkle some ground cinnamon on top. For this next step, you will need a parent's supervision. Place the bread in a hot skillet. Next, you use a spatula to flip the bread so that it doesn't burn. When it gets golden brown, that means it's ready. Gently place it on a plate. Bon appetit!